Hello everyone, today we are going to make a creamy spicy chicken livers that you will never forget. For this dish you'll need a teaspoon of cumin, a teaspoon of paprika, a teaspoon of chili flakes, 2 spoons of peri-peri sauce, a teaspoon of salt, quarter cup of double cream, 2 tablespoons of curry paste, and the garlic. I also use 500 grams of chicken livers and 1 medium onion. Before I cook the livers, I soak them in milk in order to kill the bitterness or metallic taste of the liver. For frying the livers, I then prepared 3 spoons of flour with pepper and salt, a teaspoon of cumin, a teaspoon of paprika, and a teaspoon of chili flakes. I also then prepared my onions, just cutting them into thin slices. Then the next thing was to heat the pan, and I added 2 spoons of butter and also 2 spoons of olive oil. The next step was to put livers into the mix of flour and also place them in the pan individually to facilitate browning. After I finished browning the livers, I think I did about two to three batches. Then I added the onions. I fried them in the same pan and also tried to deglaze it using the chicken stock. You can either use chicken stock or water. The aim here is to make sure that the onions are well cooked and soft. Once your onions are well cooked, then add your spices as well. So you just use a teaspoon really. You don't want to go strong with all these spices. So it's a teaspoon of paprika, chili flakes, and cumin, and also salt and pepper. When your onions are well mixed with the spices, then you can also add a teaspoon of crushed garlic or fresh garlic. I also added a spoonful of tomato paste. I've seen other people using tomato sauce, but I prefer to use a tomato paste before adding the chicken livers back to the pan. I then added about 3 to 4 spoons of peri-peri sauce from Nando's. This sauce is mild, it's not so hot, but if you prefer the hot one, you can also buy it from any South African supermarket. Once your livers are well cooked, then you can add half a cup of heavy cream, which is 125 mils. So now we are almost done. So you just close the pan and leave the livers to cook with the heavy cream for about 10 minutes before you garnish it with your parsley and ready to eat. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, and comment.